Daddy? Hey, where is it over here? Like that? Be careful. Be careful, Papa Jeffrey.
Okay. We cannot go there because it's deep.
What's
What's that?
Wait. What's that?
Oh,
Ah,
that's what's that? A small grasshopper?
yes. That is so small glass. Wait a minute. He jumps out in the water. Hey, over here. Here. Someone on the roof. Where's that? Stick insects. Not the many stick insects.
Stick insect?
Yeah. No, not the kingo. It's a stick insect.
Where?
Over here. Over
It's
here.
not an insect.
Where's
A
that?
root.
What root?
Gamot.
A root?
Yeah, gamot. It's a root. Asa man?
Okay,
Dakpo, dakpo.
okay, Daddy. Lots rocks everywhere. Help me. Help me.
Don't. Just wear your shoes.
They're wet.
See, it's okay. It's okay. Don't, they're stepping on water.
We're gonna get my sheet now.
Come here, let's go back. There's a lot of mosquito here. Jump.
What mosquitoes?
Jump. Keep on there.
It's a big rock.
Wala, baki?
Wait, hey, over here. Look in here.
There's a chain. The metal chain.
Where's that chain?
This is a chain. Oh, where's the chain here?
Why is the chain here? Wait.
You wanna bring it?
No.
Come here.
This is for dogs.
That's for dogs.
It's a big rock.
Dito na to sa taas.
It's a hitchhiker.
What's that?
Wait. Your kids found something. Wait, a spider. What are we spider? Why do I see spider? Oh, it's meant to say spider.
Yeah, that's a spider.
No, but to see spider. Wait. Where's bat over here?
Oh, there's a spider. This called spider.
A cold spider? What is a cold spider?
There are mosquitoes here too.
And why?
There are lots of mosquitoes here. Come here, let's climb up.
Wait.
Let's climb up.
Wait. You're kids.
Let's follow them. There. Climb up. Just climb up. Go. Climb up. Oh.
Where's bat over here?
Up.
Where's
Go up.
bat?
What?
I'm over here. Where's bat?
Up. Go.
Where's bat? Where's bat? Everywhere. Yes. Octopus is everywhere. Wait.
Go there.
Wait. Where are the kids?
There.
Over here? What?
Let's follow them.
Don't.
Oh.
What are you doing over here?
They're looking for a frog.
Hello? Hey? Hey? Find the stick.
Come here. Let's go there. Let's find frog here.
Over here. Ouch.
Because they're going up there.
You're going up there?
Yeah. Just follow the truck.
Wait. Where are the kids? Where are the kids?
They're there.
Over here? Okay. Wait a minute. Oh, wait for the kids.
Hey, be careful.
Where did go eat it? Go eat it.
No. Lalom na.
Ha?
Lalom.
Gusto. Pakakal to diri. Sir, kambing. Mak, mak, look. Dali daw sa kambing. Ang naka-red, wala bulo naman. Hey, akong tani ba?
Oh, this is like
Kambing. Diyan pag bulo. Pag umawag ito dirigo. Na! Naisungay, manungay ba ito? Kapag naipula, manungay ba ito?
Where's
Na!
Snow White?
Nagunita
Where's
niya.
Snow White? Where's Snow White? Where's the other goat over here? Where's the other goat? And there's the other goat in here. There's the other goat over here.
Oh my God, look!
Be careful.
Ang lalo.
Be careful.
Manungay ba ka? Dili kulay mo kanina.
We're supposed to look at animals.
Pulo. Kaya na siya kinagunitan.
How's it later?
Kinagunitan ako. Agay! Manungay, agay. Sakit. Kita, oy. Manungay man. Ano man ang pali?
Ha?
Ha?
Ada?
Ano man ang kambing? Magunitan lagi sa ano. Na manungay ba gago?
Let's go. Let's go to the other side. The other goat.
Go, 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 go.
Other.
Ah, hinihiling rin niya. Makain na. Makain na. Ay, ay, mama. Ay, mama. Over here. Over here, over here. Ay, ikuha na natin. Matulog ako.
It's just a baby goat.
Baby goat? What baby goat?
What do you call a baby goat? Let's go. Asa naman nilapit? Nabasig. Where are you going?
Finding goats.
Finding goats?
Yeah.
How many goats we find?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10.
No, only 3. I think we found only 3.
No, only 10. Wait,
Let's go back.
wait, over here. Over here. Where's that?
Yes, what's that?
Where's that?
What's this?
Where we going?
No, put it inside. Come here. Wow.
Wait. And the other one is 8.
This one.
Wait. Wait.
Put it inside. Wow.
Whoa.
Don't touch it. Just leave it there inside. Wow. Let me see.
Where's that?
Let me see. Oh, there's red and a black.
Blackboard.
What's that?
Oh, where we going? Wait. Wait, there's the moon. There's the moon okay.
There, listen. Ano to dre? Ay, mo tayo ko tayo sila. Kuha ko dre. Ano mo tayo durong ko dre.
There's the moon okay.
No! Ay!
Dami ka din.
Utang ko na.
What is that? It's a
Another baby goat. Now, hi goat. How are you? Now, hi goat.
What's my name is goat?
I don't know. I don't know what's the name of that goat.
It's Goya.
Goya?
Goya is goat.
Goat?
Whoa.
What's the name?
Goya, a goat.
Ah, Goya. Okay.
Hey, you can have something now. Faster. Faster now. Okay? What are you doing?
Ano ka nauli ka?
What are you doing now?
Where's your shoes? Where are your shoes? Sina?
Hey.
Ay, it's really near, really near. Where are your shoes? Ay. Bahala ka da. Bring your shoes. Shoes. Come here. You might get hurt
And why?
because you're not wearing shoes.
You get hurt?
Then you get hurt. Oh my gosh.
And why? What?
Are you hurting now?
No.
Okay, walk fast.
No, I walk fast.
Or walk slowly instead.
Two 2,000 years later.
No, it's very small.
What's that? What's that? Is it cricket?
No, it's not a cricket, I think. It's
Wait.
not a cricket.
What's that? It's super fast. And what's that? Is ladybug?
It's a ladybug?
Yeah. Wow, the ladybug is so cute.
Where's the other bug? It's gone?
No, we're not good. Look at this. Thank you for watching. Bye.